everyone, welcome back to the daily crypto update, guys. If you guys like this video, please leave a comment below, subscribe and like. Guys, in today's video I will be recovering Bitcoin, ADA Cardano and CHZ Chili's, guys. Okay, never panic, sell and hold. Okay guys, so as you guys can see right here, we did break the support that I mentioned. As you guys can see right here, this was the ascending triangle that I've been speaking about, guys. And I said that, you know, we would either have two targets. The target to the upside would be 62,000. Target to the downside would be this target. As you guys can see, we closed the 4-hour candle, which is this one right here, right before this one. We closed the 4-hour candle right where our support met, which was the very crucial support level. As you guys can see, we had one right here, support, that turned into resistance, support. We had this whole thing, guys, that turned into support. So like I mentioned yesterday, guys, as you currently saw in the video, that this was supposed to happen. It was bound to happen. A breakout was bound to happen. As you guys can see, we had a tightening range, low volume. So a breakout was gonna happen. Now, where can Bitcoin go from here, guys? Where can it go? So let's have a look on the 4-hour. Let's take out the EMA ribbon. Let's start off with that, guys. EMA ribbons. As you guys can see, we are below the EMA ribbon. It is not a good sign, guys. As you guys can see, we are bearish. Now, are we bearish long term, guys? No. Are we bearish short term? Very possible. As you guys can see, we are bearish short term. I also showed you guys 3 days ago this pattern, how it made a cup, a smaller cup, a smaller cup, and then a smaller cup, and then that we might see a breakout. Essentially, it was a new pattern that I discovered, and it was interesting. I thought there was going to be a big breakout because I've never seen this pattern before in the longer time side. Anyways, guys, let's go on to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, guys, with the EMA ribbon, we are being supported right now currently on the EMA ribbon with the 20 exponential moving average ribbon. Okay, guys, so this is a good sign. We got rejected exactly right here on the ribbon. Okay, so before I go on to ADA and Chili's, let's have a look. Yeah, this is it, guys. Let's have a look at the 200 moving average real quick. So the 200 moving average is a very important and crucial indicator, in my opinion. It is on the long term, and it helps a lot. So guys, this is how you check the 200 moving average. As you guys can see, this is a 200 moving average. This is the daily time frame. We want to see it on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so guys, as you guys can see, this is a 200 moving average on the daily time frame. Can we come all the way here, guys? It is very possible that Bitcoin comes back and revisit $53,000. Can it happen today? Probably not. Will it happen next 2 weeks or next week? Very possible, guys. We do have a slight support right here. As you guys can see, we could see a rebound from this area, and by the time Bitcoin does come here, maybe the 4-hour is gonna, the 200 moving average is gonna meet against the 54,000 region. So this is the Bitcoin update, guys. Like I said, Bitcoin is the leader, and it is leading the market. So it's crashing a little bit right now, 3.5%. It's a big move from Bitcoin. It's not something we see every day. Anyways, guys, this is the Bitcoin update for today. Let's go back to ADA. Guys, this is ADA Cardano. As you guys can see, guys, I told you guys that we were in an inverse head and shoulder yesterday. If you want, you guys can come back. This was the head, whatever, guys. I'm not gonna draw it right here, but if you want, you could go back to my videos and see it. And I did mention that once we break out of the head and shoulder, guys, which was right here, this was the breakout, we might come back up and retest it. So to not take a short until you retest it, guys. It came back. we retested the resistance, guys, and now it's falling down. Now, what will happen to ADA, guys? What will happen? I know a lot of you guys want ADA to fly to the moon, and you guys are moon boys, and ADA to $10. I saw a comment yesterday saying that ADA is gonna go to $10 by the end of the year. Guys, everything is possible. First of all, this is not financial advice. It's just for educational purpose only, and I want you guys to be prepared. So as you guys can see right here, we are breaking down. Now, yesterday I did mention the head and shoulder target would be $1, correct? As you guys can see, if I bring this back down to the breakout, the target would be approximately right here, which is $1.01. Now, can we see this happen, guys, by the end of this week? Yes, it is very possible. We are met by a few support here, guys. We have a support right here, and support right here. Can we build another support, guys? Yes, it is very possible to do another support right here. So, guys, please, moon boys out there, don't panic, don't go crazy. If you are in a long term and you are trading this, Don't make sure not to use high leverage. And if you are holding and you are using spot, then you are completely fine, guys. In the long term, 3-4 years from now, you're gonna be in profit. Not financial advice, of course, but it's almost guaranteed that you will be in profit if you are holding this. Okay, let's go to CHG Chili's, guys. As you guys can see, this is CHG. This is Chili's. They had a huge announcement with Man City on Friday, which was extremely bullish. The rising wedge didn't play out exactly how it was supposed to, guys. Rising wedge do have an accuracy of 80%, as you guys can see, or not as you guys can see, but as you know, as I know. I told you guys to take this trade at the breakout. As we can see, it broke out, and now it's coming back down, guys. This is not extremely bearish, by the way. Although I do think we might revisit the yellow line, it will be a double bottom, guys. It will be a double bottom. So what can CH do? So I think it could do something like this, and then it could pop up, and this would be essentially the neckline. This is a very important resistance zone, at least in the medium and short term range. So it's gonna be interesting to see what happened. What Chile does in the next couple of hours and days. I really do think, guys, I know you guys wanted Chili's to go back to $1, and I said we have an 80% chance. I did say, Bryce, we are on a falling wedge target. They don't always play out. This is why, guys, we always have to be prepared and take 50% profit on here. Always be prepared. Always put stop loss, stop profit, and make sure to not lose money, and do everything and possible to have good risk management, essentially. Sorry, guys. So anyways, this is Chili's, of course. Guys, don't be I wouldn't be bearish on Chili's until we break this area, guys. If we do close 4 hour under this area, then we will be in trouble. But guys, if you are trading this, then maybe you should start deleveraging a little bit. If you are holding on spot, there's no reason why you should be deleveraging or selling or anything like that, because guys, at the end of the day, we all know that the Bitcoin market recovers, right? We all know that. So Bitcoin is the future, crypto is the future. Chili's, they have amazing partnerships with Man City and Atletico Madrid and Juventus. So guys, this is very bullish news for Chili's. This is just a small bump, a small speed bump. It's okay, guys, don't panic, and everything's gonna be okay. So ADA, we did ADA and Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin would be extremely, I wouldn't like Bitcoin to see a break under 54,000. I'm sorry I'm going back to Bitcoin, but if Bitcoin would break under 54,000, it wouldn't be so good. It would be pretty bearish to me, and we might enter a bear market, in my opinion. But that's that, guys. For now, we are still in a bull market in the daily time frame, which is good. This is my crypto daily video, my daily update for today. If you guys like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys tomorrow.